Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another video property tour. If you're just tuning into this channel for the first time, I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. So today I am here in the city of Henderson, Nevada. Just right off the side of a cliff that they just carved out. I think there's a total of about, 72 acres up here. You're going to have some more builders that are going to build up here. But today we're going to be focusing on this product by Lennar, and this one right here is the Rossano, and this one right here is 3,634 square feet. Property features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, and a 3-car garage. So let's take a look at the exterior here. As you can see, they did a really good job on the color blocking here, and I love the LED lights underneath the garage. Gives that custom look here. And take a look at the eaves. On the eaves, you have a 3-foot eave, right? And it looks like it tears down about 6 inches. So you have two eaves right here that really gives that customization look. Now right here, this is our power box. Here's our main shutoff for, this tells me that there is a solar panel system that's connected. This is what we call our D-mark here. Now we have the gas line, and also here is your irrigation valve. Show you guys a couple things here. Here's the irrigation box. Typically you only get one, and you open this thing up right here, and just to show you, filter right here. Change it out, clean it out, do whatever you got to do. Okay, probably do that once a month there. Check all your irrigation drip systems too as well, because what you'll see is that sometimes those things will pop off. Once they pop off, then you have all this water just shooting out. Beautiful courtyard here. However, you don't get these little pot planters. Okay, look at this. Very unique. I would say this is a little bit dead space. Okay. Right here is your office, the French doors. Very unique. You got your clean out right here. You'll see this. So this is where you're going to snake your sewage line if something gets clogged. Okay. Now let's head on inside through these French doors here. Now, as we come in, a couple things I do want to show you here. You get the ring and the Yale keypad here, which is really nice. Okay, you do have that old school French door with the modern glass here. Off to the right, we have our dining. I said it was an office, but it's actually a formal dining. You have two-tone paint here, which is really nice. 8 inches on the baseboards. You got the skip trawl texture. That chandelier here, this light fixture, is not included. Make sure to get with the sales rep, find out what's included, what's not. Coming through here, this is going to be our Butler's pantry. Love the white shakers here. Pretty much full overlays with the glass. That would be definitely an upgrade with the backsplash and the countertops. Off to the right, we have our pantry. 6-panel door. Okay. We're going to come back this way. Get you guys a full view here. Here's your 3-car garage that is locked. Alarm system. And you can just see how open this is right here, right? You got laminate flooring. Take a look at this. You have a beautiful catwalk too right here as well. That's really nice. All right. Look at this. Gorgeous, right? With the catwalk. You have a 12-foot slide, vinyl. Can't go out right now. They're actually building a pool with the view fencing overlooking the Las Vegas Strip. Now let's take a look at this kitchen. You have a beautiful island. I think this island is 10 by 12. It's actually bigger than my bedroom. Got you laughing. Got you laughing. You a star now.
That was funny though.
I'm serious. All right, so what we have here is, I believe these are monogram. Yes, these are all monograms here. Under-mounted sink with the beautiful granite. This is definitely going to be an upgrade, folks. And you got your ice maker too as well. These are dovetails, under-mounted glides, and soft closing cabinets. I do love the toe kick here. Really gives you that custom look all the way around. I believe these ones actually do have cabinets up in the front too as well. Okay. Now, I love how large this refrigerator is. It's like you can literally drive your car right through it. Now, let's take a look here. We have some more cabinets that goes all the way down, but I do love this monogram grill. And look what you get, a pot filler and beautiful hood. Beautiful, look at that. And I love how they did the cabinets here. Pot cabinets, look at that. See, this one is a 12-inch. This is a 3-inch. Look at that.
Yep.
Additional storage spacing all the way through. 12 foot.
Yeah.
Again, slider, vinyl. You got your traverse light ceilings. These are 12-foot ceilings, I believe. Now let's come back down this way. We got some extra storage underneath the staircase here. Let's take a look here. Not bad. Let's get that light on. Here we go. You got your thermostat right here. What do we have here? Now, folks, I've not seen this house yet. So, HOAs are about, what, I think $103. So this must be the master. Pretty decent size on the master. I love the fact that you have a little door here. Then you're allowed to go on out, and you have this little small covered patio area, right? You got your transfer grill here. Oh my gosh, I just burped, and I do apologize. Now, as we come into the master, we have a 12 by 24 on the porcelain tile on the flooring here. You have the tub, a fiberglass. This one seems a little bit smaller than the other ones here. I think I like the one with the next gen better. Let me know in the comments below which one do you like the best. Okay. If you haven't seen the other models, I will have a link in the description below, or wait till the end of this video. Check out the thumbnails. And also, if you have not had a chance to subscribe yet, go ahead and subscribe. Now, eventually, Monin, what's great about this is a really big company. The cartridge is pretty much universal to all the other different Molins out there, okay? You can actually change this on out. However, if you change this to a different brand, keep in mind you're probably going to have to cut out this drywall and also that backsplash on there too as well. So that's another thing that I want you to take in consideration, is that if you're going to redo your bathroom, make sure you have the right fixtures. Get the same brand that you're going to basically install. Washer and dryer. This tells me that there's probably another master bedroom upstairs. Let's see if I'm right about that. Okay. All right, let's head on upstairs now. But before we do that, we do have some storage. Oh, here's your linen closet. Okay. And here's your half bath. You do have a floating vanity, 36 inches high, with your Petrofina cast iron sink under mounted. Okay. All right, let's head on upstairs. Let's see what we got upstairs. I like the stair railing. It was really nice. Again, you got the 48 inches wide. Okay. Wow, take a look at this from this angle here. Gorgeous, right? All right, let's go upstairs. We're going to head down this catwalk here. So we have a nice loft area overlooking the strip again. And man, I'm out of breath. All right, let's take a look at this. Money shot. here it is. Isn't that beautiful? You know, at night, what's great about this is, check this out. At night, as you're hanging out here, all the planes, you're going to see it. All the planes coming to land. That is gorgeous, folks. Take a look at this. Not bad. All right, let's go back inside. Let's see what we got. Let's get some air conditioning because it's getting a little hot outside. Love the fact that they got the Smurf tube here. I'm not too sure why don't they have the Cat 6. It is what it is. You got your thermostat right there. So you get your bathroom. Double sinks. High vanity, which is really nice. Did you notice on these higher end homes, you don't have the 30-inch vanities. They're all 36 inches. Because the builder knows what's up. Alright, let's come back down this way here. So here we have a decent sized bedroom. Queen size bed. You do have the option to do a 4-can lighting on here, but it does come pre-wired with the ceiling fan. Alright, let's head off to this bedroom down this way here. Let's see what we got. I guess that was a master bedroom downstairs. I was wrong. Okay. Got the walk-in closet. Alright. So here's a Jack and Jill. Very unique on the Jack and Jill there. And also real quick, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also give us a thumbs up too as well. And also we definitely would love the opportunity to earn your business. Here's your water closet. Tub shower combo, fiberglass. Okay. Now overall with this product, they pretty much use all standard basic products. Very rustic, this room. Alright, let's see what we got here. Walk-in closet. And laundry room. Alright, why is this light not kicking on? Normally they have a light that just automatically kicks on. We got the sink. Okay. Isn't this gorgeous? Look at this. Breathtaking. That's all I could say. Look at this. We gotta look at this again. Let's take a look. Now guys, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, y'all know what to do. Stop what you're doing. Hit that subscribe button. Other than that, until the next video, I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.